messy Roomba room, super messy. Here, let me turn on the light. So, yep, there's dirt particles. There's all three Roombas. They have learned the room. These two have not. This one has mapped the room. The first mapping attempt, he did that, and then I made him mop out there. So then he got confused. So I made him mop again, and I left the closet open. He went in there, so there's gonna be some clean part right there. Went in there, mapped that out, and went back home. And then I did it again, and then it just went out here and here. But it didn't map out these little two bumps, but that's okay. I wonder how the test is gonna be back here. The corner sides are nice and messy. Okay, sorry about that. We're gonna put my phone right here. I don't know, I'm just gonna keep holding it. And we're gonna turn on the Roombas and test it out. Okay, here we go. Let me get the best camera view I can possibly get for this beautiful video. Okay, got their Sharp Matrix Sonic Mopping with the HEPA filter. Does not work well, but still, we're gonna start her up. That's the sound of joy. I'm on its dock. I should probably get off its dock. And I have the Shark Ion going out. iLife A something something going out. I'm just kidding. We're gonna put a Roomba back in the dock for now, which is gonna be iLife, because iLife sucks at absolutely everything. You need to have a life, brother. Sorry. There's technical issues in this house right now. What is the Roomba doing? I don't even think it's doing its job correctly. This Roomba is just, we could say, doing well, probably. I don't know. This Roomba looks like it's actually doing well with the patterns. I don't know why it's not getting over here. Maybe the dock is messing it up. I don't know. Oh, Shark's in the way. Will he care? Nah, he doesn't ever care about anything. Hey, Shark, that means you're gonna have to stay behind here with me. Okay, you little turd, stay over here. Yeah, you stay over here. Clean over here, because your brother won't. Your brother cannot possibly stay over there. So hard for you. Yeah, queen. Yeah, king. You can, yeah, we're kings here. You can't go over here because it's so important. He probably started his job, so this whole line you can, this invisible line he can't go past. So you will have to do it. I'm cleaning this room just so we can make it dirty again on Saturday. If Ben and Adam come over. You know who the twins are. They look the same. That's going to be a test. That's started before. And now there's an iLife again. Come on, go to your dock already. And stay in your dock. That's what your dock is for. I'm going to run you next time. You're going to run with it, this shark one. I'm just getting it ready to clean. This is going to be a test for this. Or if this gets it. You missed it. That's embarrassing for him. He missed it. Like, I like his little dock patterns. It automatically straightens itself out. Oh, will he get it? Will he do it? Will he do it? Oh, he did it. Let's go. They keep missing this thing. Should I throw it back out? Yeah, I'll throw it back out. It looks so much cleaner in here now. Dude, oh my gosh, the Roomba. The white parts are none of your business. What the heck? Maybe it is your business. Oh, way. Is this paint all along? Do you guys think that's slobber or something? I don't know what this white stuff is. Should not be touching it, probably. I don't know what this. Okay, the room is actually doing well. So are you. Good. I'm gonna pet the sharks. I think this is dangerous in real life, but he just went on his dock. I think that might actually be helpful, so it's not dirty. Lola, I know you're out there, but no, you're not coming in. You're not coming in here, Lola. Sorry, I'm talking to Lola. My Duga. I don't know why it just stopped right there. It's been going to here and then back. I don't know what it's doing now. Maybe it saw it on the way over and then it's like, oh, it's still there. Ooh, Benmark. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Shark. Watch out, your brother's in the way. He's gonna get the flamingo here. Oh, okay. This shirt just got a lot of leftovers that nobody else got. Can you go forward so I can fix this cord? Thank you. See, it's going to the wall now. Don't wonder why. Oh, will it get that part? Will it get the part it missed last time? And yes, it will. Welcome back to Roomba Man, where all the Roombas basically work until they don't. Subscribe if you want more testing, or don't. Or like if you don't want more testing. Okay. Like and subscribe if you want testing, or just I don't know. We're doing testing no matter what. I'm gonna put up a post and see if I should post a little poll and see if I should just. Oh, sounds like it's getting full. I wonder how much is in there. After this Roomba's done, this Roomba's basically done with its work. Yeah, just get what your brother missed, because your brother absolutely sucks at getting everything. Sorry, Shark, you're fine. It's just you don't get that good stuff. You need to get everything. I'm just kidding. You get a lot of good stuff. Shark, I'm just telling you, just maybe tell iRobot. I'm not gonna buy any more Roombas from them. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna buy so many more from iRobot because I support them. Also Shark, but I don't really think it's fair for other brands that do so good with robots, and iRobot doesn't do that well with robots, and they don't let other brands have a dirt bin sensor so it knows when it's full. Because I feel like this is full. This is kind of full. I'm gonna send it home because it's annoying me. Wait, your brother's going in the path. Your brother's going into the path. We're gonna bump him real quick so he has to think real quick. Let go! Go to your dock already. Yes, you, go to your dock. Sorry, I yell at my Roomba sometimes because they're idiots. Okay, he's going around the Roomba now. It's fine. Just turn around and go on your dock already, dude. Okay. Oh, he just passed him really quick. Okay, go back into your dock. Hurry up, Dumbo. Hurry up. Bro, don't go 1 mile per hour. That's not helpful. I'm trying to make your brother clean. Sorry, I'm jumping. That's why it's so shaky. No, not the room. I'm the camera. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Chill chat. Chill chat. Chill chat. It's the final countdown. Do do do. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, why I'm doing a party on Saturday? Because it's the anniversary of the first anniversary of Roomba Man. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be a long time until the anniversary of Roomba Man, but we're basically celebrating it because we didn't do it this year. So we're basically just testing Roombas also. Put this on the floor. I'm just kind of grinding off stuff from the walls that we don't need anymore. Is it smart, guys? Okay, I'm not gonna rip that. Why would you do this on old? We're not actually the owner of this house, but we're moving. I'm gonna bring my phone, record another movie, I guess, at my new house and show us our moving in and everything. We're gonna move in and everything. And I'm not gonna record when we're moving in because my mom doesn't like recording while we're doing hard work. So we're just gonna, yeah. This room looks so good now. I'm just gonna wait for him to go home. If he goes home. I never ran this guy in this room. This is his first run in this room. Will he actually, you're like, why did you put this back if it's already gonna, the mop pad's never gonna go on here? Well, I tried doing it without it, and when the Roomba docked, it like, since there's a gap back here, it kind of like shoved it against the wall. And then when it was self-emptying, it was like rattling and everything. So I just left it like it would usually be. But I'm not telling the app because it just is like, if you don't move the shark and remap your house right now, we're gonna sue you or something. I'm just kidding. Shark, like, maybe make the robot do it instead, and then make your, like, actually, never mind. It's a pretty old looking kind of thing. Okay, I like that it's actually kind of cleaning while it's traveling. If it gets over here, that would be a big plus, but I don't think it has done anything. Do the sides. We want you to do the sides so I can show you guys. Okay, so it just edge cleans with this little blue thing. Oh, wait, is it going to start doing the edge cleaning? I guess it's just going to do it without the edge cleaning. That thing goes on and gets dust from the corner of the wall, so that little peg always annoys my robots. They hate pegs, especially the one in my room for the bathroom door. That thing is bent down. I don't know if the old owner just stepped on it and just sat on it for a while, but it's so bent down the robots just go on it like they're going do 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 do, and then it just gets stuck on and then it blows up about. I'm just kidding. It doesn't blow up, but oh, I almost dropped my phone. Okay. Bye, guys. So I'm going to do a short of the after results. Bye.